Hello, welcome to another English video. In this video, we will learn about verbs that are followed by to. There's a certain class of verbs that we always use the preposition to with them. Let's look at an example of these verbs. We can make a list. For example, we have offer. That's when you ask someone if you can do something for them. We offered to help the old woman. So here we used offered in the past tense and we used to, and then we had another verb following the to that's in the infinitive. So that's how these verbs plus to work. The first verb can be either in a present or past or in the future, then it's followed by the preposition to, and then the next verb is in the infinitive. So let's look at another example. We can use the verb decide with to as well. For example, he decided to go to college. So here we have decided in the past, and then we have to the preposition and go in the infinitive. These verbs are like this because when we use the to, we're helping to make a connection between the first verb and the second verb. So they all come together to make a kind of verb concept. Let's look at another example. We can also say agree. Agree is when you think what someone said is correct, or when you say you will do something and you do it. She agreed to babysit. Okay, and let's look at a few more examples of verbs plus to. How about learn? This is a very common verb. Jamie is learning to swim. So with all these examples, after to, there's usually another verb. Babysit is a verb, and it means to watch someone's children. So to, and then another verb in the infinitive. Learn. Jamie is learning to swim. Okay, and another example could be promise. My mother promised to call me soon. Okay, so let's look at a list of other verbs that we can use with to. For example, we have plan, plan to do something. Arrange, which is like plan. Arrange to go on vacation. And fail, which means you did not do something. Fail to study more. Manage, it means you tried to do something. Manage to pass a test. And then we have deserve. Deserve to get a reward. Afford, we cannot afford to go out to dinner. And don't forget to study more. Okay, so this is our list of verbs that can also be used with to and the next verb in the infinitive. I hope this video has helped you to understand more about verbs that we use the preposition to with and how to use them correctly in sentences. Please give us feedback on the video, and good luck with your English.